Now the last one we have here in this introduction to functions is just, practicing it more. So it says in the language of functions, all of the following are true except one. Identify the false statement. Now the first two are true. The phrase independent variable means input or x value. That's not the color I want. So x, what you plug in, is called the independent variable. So that one's true, which means it's not the right answer. We are looking for the false one. The reason it's called the independent variable is because we can plug in whatever we want. I can plug in 5 or 10 or 0, whatever. It doesn't matter. It's independent of itself. Right. The second one, the phrase dependent variable means output, which output is like our y value. The reason why this is the dependent variables, it is what comes out. And what comes out depends on what goes in. All right, so we plug in an x value, what comes out is the y value, and it depends on what goes in, which is the x value, because we're going to have formulas. When we plug in an x value, we're going to get some y value. It depends on what we plug in. So those are both true, but it's also good to know. X is independent, y is dependent. You'll hear those words every so often in the class. Now, which one of the last two is false? Sorry, that might have been kind of loud. It's this third one here. It says the input is determined by the output. This is false. Why is this false? Because the input determines the output. The input or the output is a function of the input. All right, which you can see that's actually what the fourth one says. The input is not determined by the output, it's the opposite thing. So that is the false statement. And I kind of already hit on it, so I'm just going to draw an arrow here. The fourth statement, the output is a function of the input, is true. I guess I didn't actually write that these are true, even though I said they were. Right, but really the big thing I would take up from this problem, independent variables x, dependent variables y. The way to help yourself remember that, y depends on x because y is what comes out.